I was like, oh, this is not, I was like trying to grab it, and she grabbed my arm.
They told us that you tried to use a fake ID or something.
Why would I give it to you?
What?
You didn't know that was my real name.
Date: the 16th of August, 2024. Location: bar, jurisdiction unconfirmed. Incident: fraudulent ID, alleged battery. On bartender obstruction, arrest.
Do what now?
So, I'll let you.
You're gonna go over there first. I'll figure it out from there. It's a chick in the black?
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so what's
Yeah,
going
she definitely showed me an ID that was not her face. I tried getting Casey's second opinion, but
You
she
have
didn't
it?
have her glasses on, no. So she didn't realize it, but then I took the boy's ID and I was like, wait, your birthday's November of 03,
So the
you're not
drinks were
21
sitting
yet.
there, but she's like, no. She asked
Like,
him
I
twice.
asked them twice for their card.
Okay.
And then,
So,
yeah.
you asked twice for an ID.
Yep. I was like making the drinks as they were getting them out. So then I come back and I
You
set them
guys
down and
don't
I'm like,
usually have that, so.
yeah, I set them down and I'm like,
kids, but he's got real short hair.
yeah.
Which one's the kid? The
He-
dude
well,
over
He
was
may
out-
have ran because
He
he's
might
not
be in our,
21.
he might be in our back area right now because he just had some lady come in trying to get his ID.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, and
That recognizes us
she
from the hospital?
wants to press charges.
We all three work at
I
the
don't
hospital.
recognize you. So, what happened to press charges?
Well,
that's fine.
something.
That's
I mean,
100% okay.
you got a mark on
what
her.
happened?
So yeah, and then
grabbed
she
you.
grabbed my, so I had set the drinks down and I said, okay, like I need your guys' IDs, and they're giving it to me and they're like taking the drink at the same time. So as I see that he was not 21 because he gave me that ID, I was like, oh, this is not, I was like trying to grab it and she grabbed
grabbed
my
her
arm.
Okay, so you're reaching for the ID.
So I'm reaching for
Reaching
his
for
drink.
his drink
drink.
because he
Okay.
grabbed the
And
drink
she
when she's
grabs
like,
my arm and says, no, no, no. And I was
He's
like, no, you
drinking
know,
it
no,
already,
no.
she says.
She said he's drinking it already. I said, no,
So
absolutely
then I
not.
grabbed
And I
it
said,
out of
actually,
hers.
and I know your ID looked fake as well, so I'll take, so then she took her drink too.
Gotcha.
and we just dumped
And
one
then we said, like, you guys
So
need to
you're
leave.
primarily involved with all of this.
both of us.
Yeah.
Noticed, and we have camera.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You guys
But
are
I
pretty
mean,
decent with all
fucking
this.
hunk.
So,
I was like, you bitch.
are you wanting to press charges for a battery if we have that there? Obviously, there's more investigation. Huh? I have this dude, but I don't know who that is.
I mean, yeah, I will, because that's unacceptable.
So they're saying,
I want to say
He
like
was out
a
in our
white-
back area. He
white
might still
colored
be out
t-shirt.
there.
He's got a silver chain and he's got really short hair now.
Yes, he does not have that.
well, I'll go out back with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was up there.
I'll dump it out. John.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Here,
Yeah, get him out of here.
lost
Yeah,
my
we're dealing
phone.
with something else too, so.
I'm not doing anything. Like, here,
So,
I'm not making. a
Why
mess.
were we called here initially?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't tell y'all.
Oh,
No idea. I left.
well, yes, they told us that you tried to use a fake ID or something.
I have my ID in here.
Can I see it?
Do we need to?
Yeah, verify who you are, yeah.
Actually,
Yes, ma'am.
like,
Yes, I have to verify who you are.
I don't know actually that that's a.
You want to go to jail? Because then you'll
I
be
don't
obstructing
actually. I'm not
a peace
gonna
officer.
go to jail because of that.
Because you'll be obstructing a peace officer.
Oh, but that's not actually
Yeah, you go to jail.
how that goes.
It's a misdemeanor.
It's not how that goes.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry. How long have you
My
been doing this
rights.
job for?
Actually,
How long have you been doing this job for? If you don't give me your ID, you can be arrested. So I have to verify your picture matches
no,
the
that
name
doesn't
you gave
actually.
me.
That's not actually how that goes.
Because if you give me a fake name, then that's also a different source. So this is just to verify you didn't give a fake name.
Go ahead.
That
So I'm gonna ask
doesn't
you one.
track,
I'm gonna
actually,
ask you
that's
one more time.
based on my.
I'm gonna ask you
my
one more
rights.
time. I need to see your ID, or you're going to jail for obstruction.
Yeah, mine.
Yes, you are.
Send it.
You want to go to jail? You really
I'm
go?
not going to go to jail because that's not how
Alright.
that works.
Stay
You go to jail then.
I don't give you permission to do
You're
that.
under arrest. I can search your belongings and everything
Yeah,
on your person.
But I'm not.
I just told you you're under arrest for obstruction.
But I'm not legally.
Are you a lawyer? Or are you
I
a
am,
police
actually.
officer? What do you practice?
We'll find out.
Where's your buddy at?
I don't have a buddy.
Okay, you said you were drinking with this guy who's underage too.
Oh, who that?
What's the name she gave you?
Amanda Brink.
Oh. So that's not even your real name. So yeah, that's another charge, so.
It's not, though.
On Friday,
To be honest.
It is.
You know.
No, it's not.
When we tell you to give us your name, you're supposed to give us your name.
She gave us a fake name.
Oh.
You got
And
bullied
Jordan
in high
Shake?
school, huh? Bummer.
Bullied in high school. Oh, so now we're just picking on me just because you're under arrest. That's funny.
Done in high school, weren't you? And that's why you're doing this now?
Sure, you could go with that. Yeah, deflection is great.
Big oof.
Oof is having
I
a
did
court
just
date.
fine in
This guy
life.
didn't have that issue. That's why he's not saying nothing.
I did just fine in life. I'm doing okay.
Did you? Okay.
Oh, we're not in handcuffs for once, so
Yeah.
that's a start.
I won't be for long.
You will, but okay.
No, I won't. But okay.
Is James still talking to the bartender?
Yeah. So, we're gonna hit battery as well.
Battery? Okay, cool. Yeah. Camera?
Video. Yep.
Frank doing it?
We going for a ride or what?
You will
Hey,
be.
just gotta hang tight. I advise you all your charges before we just take you over, you know.
What am I charged with?
Obstruction of peace officer, obstructing identification,
Explain.
because you gave us a fake name. And you didn't provide
It's
your
not actually
identification.
illegal.
I have
Do
actually.
you want me to print out the statutes for you at the
I would
jail?
like that, actually.
I'll print it
Please.
out for
And
you.
your staff officers.
Staff
name.
officers? What's a staff officer? You just want my name?
Oh, I know your name.
Campanella? Yeah. I don't know. Staff.
Your
What's a staff
supervisor.
officer? Okay, you can talk to Sergeant Paleo.
I'm sorry, you're not military. Oh,
Yeah, I
never
am.
mind. Never mind.
I was in the Army.
I've never heard of a staff officer.
Yeah, there's no such thing as a staff officer. When did I get out? November 21? Here's my last day in the Army. I was a sergeant.
Yeah, that means nothing.
Well,
To anybody.
You said I wasn't in the military, and I want to prove to you that I was. So, there we are. And apparently you know every single answer.
I loved you in Christmas Story, by the way.
Christmas
You're
Story.
amazing.
The little Peter Billingsley? Red Ryder BB gun? I don't know what character you're referring to.
Yeah, that's who. I don't know why I'm still standing here.
Because you're arrested.
No, thank you, Captain.
telling you.
Why am I still standing here?
Because they're still
We're going
reviewing
to
some
go-
further charges. I'd like to advise you of those charges before we actually take them.
Really? Can you advise me of them now?
I told you the obstructing ID and the obstruction of peace officer.
Actually, not illegal. Did you know that?
I don't know.
You will
I don't know
when
where you're
we-
getting your information
When you get
from.
to the station, you'll know that.
I've arrested somebody for obstructing.
Happy birthday to you.
It's real.
Pretty boy.
I'm just telling you, it's real.
It's also felonies.
You are amazing in Pirates of the Caribbean. Love you so much. Captain Jack
Orlando
Sparrow.
Bloom or
Do the
Sparrow?
thing. Do the thing.
What thing?
Yeah.
Oh, there's my sergeant there.
Do
You
the
can
thing.
talk to
I
him.
don't know. Nobody's ever said I
Yeah,
was.
come on, do the thing. You know, the fucking
I never watched those movies.
loser.
Sorry. Okay.
Gentleman came up and talked to me, trying to get what was going on at the scene over there, and now I'm in handcuffs because I couldn't find who they wanted to find over there. Where's that homie? Where's the homie with the ID right there? Nowhere to be found, babyface.
Homie? What are you talking about?
Where's that guy?
This
The
guy?
guy that you fucking.
This
Okay,
is
well, that's
you.
me.
This
So-
is you.
No, I'm talking about the other guy.
I have no idea what you're talking about. We talked to you, not the bartender, and they told us to go to you because you were the person over there. So that's why.
Because what was I doing over there?
Apparently you gave him a fake ID or something.
Apparently,
I'm not
no,
too
I
sure.
didn't, because
But
my
still,
actual
if
ID
you hinder-
is on your chest.
But still, if you hinder our investigation into it, then
Hinder.
you could be obstructing.
Hinder an investigation.
Because
This is super fun. I love this right now.
I don't know why you have to make it so hard.
Oh, those guys are fuckers.
You just gave us a real name or give us your ID,
I
then
can't
you wouldn't
do
be in this situation. I didn't even hear
Really?
what's going on.
Because you don't know that wasn't my real name when I gave it to you. Why would I give it to you? Why would I give it to you?
What?
You didn't know that was my real name.
You could have verified with me. That would have been pretty easy.
Really? Would it have been?
I think so.
Yeah, because I've had issues with fucking cops before.
Okay, but again, we're not the pets.
White men that were not, you know, popular in high school or whatever, trying to fucking, you know,
Going
make a
back
name.
to high school stuff, huh?
This guy, fucking, what?
Did
5'9"?
just
5'9", baby face. Oh, 5'10"? Oh, 5'10".
5'10", yeah.
See, that's what men who aren't shit say. Oh, 5'10". Fuck too, by the way, baby face.
I've never heard anybody
I take that as a
lie about being
compliment.
5'10". Watch your step.
Hang on. Oh, wait, oh, wait, nope, never mind. I have it. My purse. Sorry.
Yeah.
I have. No problem.
They have a pizza for us too, they said, when we're done, so.
Subscribe.
Which one, Alex? This one right here. Alright.
Kind of hot, actually.
Officers received 3 independent complaints on arrival use of a fraudulent identification document, physical contact by a patron against bar staff, and the presence of an underage individual on premises. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Lawful investigative detention requires reasonable articulable suspicion. 3 documented complaints satisfied this threshold independently. The Terry stop was constitutionally valid from first contact. Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 542 U.S. 1772004. A stop and identify statute requiring a detainee to state their name does not violate the 4th or 5th Amendments, provided reasonable suspicion exists at the time of the demand. Brown v. Texas, 443 U.S. 471979. An identification demand unsupported by genuine suspicion is unconstitutional. Brown protects the right to remain silent. It does not protect the act of providing a false name. Colander v. Lawson, 461 U.S. 3521983. Identification, statutes, vesting, excessive discretion in officers are void. Any lawful ID demand must be tethered to specific articulable facts. General appearance or officer intuition is not sufficient. Approximately 24 U.S. states have enacted stop and identify statutes. In those states, refusal to provide a name during a valid Terry stop constitutes a separate criminal offense. The applicable statute in this jurisdiction remains unconfirmed. Providing a false name to law enforcement during an active investigation is criminalized in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. This offense exists independently of any stop and identify statute. It is active deception, not the exercise of a constitutional right. 5th Amendment U.S. Constitution, Hiibel, 542 U.S. 1, 772004. The privilege against self-incrimination does not extend to false statements. A fabricated name given to an officer is not protected testimony. It is a crime with independent probable cause to arrest. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S. 4291991. A 4th Amendment seizure is complete when a reasonable person would no longer feel free to terminate the encounter. The arrest declaration established that threshold without ambiguity. Charges filed: obstruction of a peace officer, obstructing identification. Legal basis: false name provided during investigation, refusal to produce ID. The false name charge alone carries sufficient probable cause in any jurisdiction, with or without a stop and identify statute. Lesson 1. Silence and deception are legally distinct. A citizen may have the right to remain silent in some jurisdictions. No citizen holds a right to provide a false name. One is constitutionally protected. The other is a criminal offense. Lesson 2. Terry stops require documented, articulable suspicion. Officers must state specific facts, not general impressions. Vague or pretextual stops remain vulnerable under Brown v. Texas and Colander v. Lawson, regardless of outcome. Lesson 3, stop and identify authority varies by state. Citizens should verify whether their state mandates identification during a lawful detention. The constitutional floor is Hiibel. State statute determines the ceiling. Core principle, A, lawful detention does not compel self-incrimination. It does prohibit active obstruction through false information. That distinction, not the ID demand itself, decided this arrest.